Yeah, babes. I'm gonna send the picture right now. Alright? Just hold on. How do you do that? How do you do it again? Yo, Steve! I want to send a dick pic. How do you do that again?
We have a phone for. My God. You know what? Give me. I gotta press this, then I gotta press this. All this.
So you're going over?
Yeah.
Crap. Steve! Come here quick! Yo, come here. Computer freeze again. How do this again?
How much time I gotta tell you? Control Alt Delete. Secret.
Steve! Yo, I know I bother from there with the computer and the phone thing, but I have one last favor for ask you.
Wow.
Tell me the time. No man, you don't need the phone. Just tell me the time on the clock right there, son.
That little bitch, you can fuck with me if you wanted to. These expensive, these is red.